So, yan, na-miss ko to. Na-miss ko yung mag-focus ng mga product. Na-miss ko yung younger self ko. Wow! Early 20s kasi ako nag-start in this kind of field like vlogging. I am now living my dream here in my dream house. I'm so kilig. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is we are going to unbox those parcel that I bought online. So basically it's just two parcel and I would like to share with you guys this kind of things because I'm going to do a makeover here in my own house. And I am super proud of myself together with my partner Dandy that we are going and we are able to buy those things that we want here in our own house. So yeah, I am going to show you guys this adhesive wallpaper and also I have a lip tint of mine that I'm going to use every day. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Na-miss ko yun! Miss ko yung ganong tagline ko before kasi nga diba, it's been 5 years and going to 6 years ago since I've been doing this kind of setup. And yeah, I am looking forward that I am going to have a lot and more videos to come like this kind of sit-down video and talking with you guys. So, ayan, nakapag-prep lang ako ng very light. And hindi na ako nag-ayos ng buhok kasi nga late na rin. And yeah. So, let's get into the video. So I have here 3 pieces of mini lip tint. So we have here a jelly. It's cherry jelly. The next one is sweet scarlet. So there you go. And the last one is pretzel heart. So going back guys, I'm going to unbox the last one. So this is the last one. So, there. Ito yung adhesive wallpaper na ina-eye ko para dun sa aming main door because I'm going to make over our main door here in our own house. So yeah, basically this is what I've got for today's video. And yeah. So yeah, I am so excited to use them all, especially this lip tint. So yeah, na-miss ko to. Na-miss ko yung mag-focus ng mga products, ganyan. Ooh! Nami-miss ko yung younger self ko. Wow! Super tanda ko na ba? So, ayun, early 20s kasi ako nag-start in this kind of field like vlogging. So, yeah, I am super proud of myself that I am continuing doing my passion even though I am now living my dream here in my dream house. I'm so kilig. So yeah, this is it. Yan. And this one. So I'm going to give a update regarding with this product very soon. And of course, let me know guys if you enjoy this video of mine, and I'm super excited to share with you my mini makeover here in my own house. So I am super blessed and I am super happy that finally, I am back. I am back with my first love. With here with you guys. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more updates and for more videos to come. So bye. Thank you for watching. Up here.